Good morning all of you. As we discussed in chapter 5 plant reproduction, the basic mode of reproduction. What is the basic mode of reproduction? As I discussed with you, the pollen grain fall on the stigma and it will fall on the pollen tube, then it will meet with the ovule and it will lead to the formation of zygote. That is the basic mode of reproduction. I already discussed with you. Now, rather than the basic mode of reproduction, there is a other mode of reproduction by which the plant can grow. As we know, in the basic mode of reproduction, the formation of seed take place and that will lead to the germination, and further we will get the new plant. Okay, the germination of the seed lead to the seedling and then it will form the baby plant. But what about the other things that can do the reproduction? In this class we will discuss the same. Now come to the topic, that is the other mode of reproduction. In the other mode of reproduction, what we can say, the vegetative mode of reproduction. The very first thing which we have to discuss, vegetative mode of reproduction. So as the term indicates, vegetative, as I discussed with you, vegetative, it means that the part of the plants which not involved in the reproduction. In the class I explained you the two things that found in the plant. One is the vegetative, another is the reproductive. The reproductive part is the gynoecium and the endoecium, which involve in the sexual reproduction of the plant, as well as vegetative part. On other hand, the vegetative part is the root, stem and leaves. In other language we can say that the part of the plant which do not involve in the sexual reproduction are considered as a vegetative part. Now come to the definition. As I written here, new plant arise from the other part of the plant such as root, stem and leaves. So by the definition we can say that any part of the plant which have the capability to give or emerge a new plant by the root, by the stem or by the leaves, that is considered as the vegetative part of the plant, and that part of the plant have the capability to give rise to new plant. Further we will see this. I hope this thing is clear to everyone. What is the definition is clear to everyone. What is vegetative mode of reproduction? Any new plant when arise from any part of the root, stem or leaves, it is considered as vegetative mode of reproduction. So first we will discuss that the vegetative mode of reproduction by the roots. By the roots we can see the few examples such as the sweet potato,